Hello, my name is Dave Batts. I'm the owner-operator at Iron Blackbird Cycles. We're a full-service shop. We do oil changes, tires, anything you want. We also are a custom paint shop. I've been a custom airbrush artist and motorcycle painter for going on 40 years now. We also do hydro dipping, airbrushing, flames, custom colors, any color you want. We do everything from ultra classics all the way down to sportsters. We also do Japanese motorcycles, imports. If you're looking for custom paint, this is the place to come. We also do full motor builds, high horsepower stuff. We do tuners. I sell specifically Thundermax tuners, Thundermax EFI. I feel like those are the best tuners on the market. We have really good luck with them. I've got one in my bike, I run it. Feel free to come out to the shop in person. Give us a call if you're far away. If you ship your stuff to us, we'll ship it right back to you as soon as it's finished. I do work for some of the Harley shops, paint work and stuff like that. We are located in Southern Illinois. We have about the only aftermarket shop around. So thanks for checking out Iron Blackbird Cycles. If you want to check out our website, it's ironblackbird-cycles.com. Check us out there, check us out on Facebook, check us out on Instagram. We also do full motorcycle builds from the ground up, full custom builds.
There's a truck in the driveway, it ain't mine. Back door swinging, them Georgia pines.
Also, if you need any parts, we can drop ship them to you. We are a distributor for Mid-USA, V-Twin Manufacturing, Midwest, Drag Specialties. We can even get Harley parts, straight HD parts from the Harley shop. Give us a call and we can drop ship those parts to you. You can pay online with a debit card. We can even get full sets of wheels, put tires on them, set them up for the bearings you need, the rotors you need, ship them out to you. We're more than happy to take care of all your needs for your custom or your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. All you have to do is give us a call, 618-435-7320.